talk about earthworms. Earthworms are part of the phylum Annelida and are also called angleworms, but their scientific name is Lumbricina. To learn more about the classification of organisms, click the link above. Lumbricina includes over 1,800 different species of worms on Earth. They can be up to 22 feet long, though the average length for them is much shorter than that. Earthworms are made from about 100 to 150 segments with small bristles on them called setae. They are able to expand and contract their muscles, and their setae grip the ground, which helps them move forward and even backwards. Worms are cold-blooded animals, meaning they are not able to maintain their own body temperature. Humans, on the other hand, are warm-blooded, so even as the atmosphere around us changes, we are able to keep the same body temperature. The cool thing about cold-blooded animals like worms is that their body temperature changes easily, so they suffer from fewer illnesses and get sick less. Earthworms are mainly found in damp places with less sunlight, and they come out during rain a lot. This is because they need to maintain their sliminess. Their slime is harmless to us, and it keeps the soil they live in healthy. Soil needs to be moist to be fertile, so as worms travel, they leave their moist slime behind, leaving the soil ready for plants and other life to grow. They also aerate the soil while traveling, which means they burrow and create tunnels, causing the soil porosity to increase. The amount of air and water that can get into the ground increases as the worms create tunnels. The wastes or casts worms leave behind after eating are rich in nutrients like nitrogen and phosphorus that are amazing for new plants and life to grow from in soil. Once a worm dies, their body decomposes, and that is also beneficial for new life. While earthworms do aerate the soil, they are actually an invasive species throughout the whole world. Some species are not native to the United States, so those can be harmful to the ecosystem. Invasive species are organisms that are introduced to an ecosystem and impact it negatively, like through the food chain, for example. Earthworms have overpopulated in some places and are hurting the organic material in forests. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to click the subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. I find earthworms really cool, but some people get grossed out by them. Comment down below what you think. Bye!